Hello. It's been a long time since my last video, and this is going to be a much different video than what I usually put out. But this one day, I got reminded of horseshoe crabs, and I can I actually say this? I is eating horseshoe crab eggs legal? Uh, it is okay. So in Malaysia, it is legal, and okay. Before this, I ate horseshoe crab eggs, and it made me have a allergic reaction, which I never had before because I'm not allergic to anything except for horseshoe crabs, which I found out after eating it. So I got reminded of that, and wanted to see how many other species of horseshoe crabs there are. So, if we search up horseshoe crab species here, we can see the multiple, species around, but there's a bird. I I I don't know why there's a bird there. It's it it's not. After researching a little bit, I did find out that horseshoe crabs, they have a relationship with the red-knot birds because these red-knot birds, they have to migrate, and when they migrate they go flying a very long distance, and because of that they have to go to the horseshoe crabs while migrating to eat their eggs, so they have the nutrients to continue their migration. So migration Canutus, wait. Okay. So they fly from there to Delaware Bay, which is basically where a lot of the horseshoe crabs lay their eggs. But the thing is, why specifically horseshoe crabs? And there was an article here which is basically one of the top searches, and it says, oh, horseshoe crabs and red knots perfect together. To say a relationship between these two animals to be perfect, one have to benefit from the other, and the other must benefit too. But so far, what I'm seeing here is only red knots benefit from this. They eat the eggs, and the horseshoe crabs, they can't do anything. This is not a perfect relationship. The red knot birds are bullying the horseshoe crabs. I don't think any other people have said this before. Like that horseshoe crabs gain nothing from this interaction. They are getting bullied. Here we have the red knot bird. So they come in, during the migration when the horseshoe crabs are laying their eggs. This is what the relationship is. The red knot goes to the horseshoe birds, eat the eggs, and oh fuck. There we go. So they eat the eggs. The eggs are gone. The horseshoe crabs cannot increase their population because the birds ate them. They bullied them. They cannot defend themselves. So they, after eating, they just fly away, and that's it. And the horseshoe crab is all alone. If we look at the status for horseshoe crabs, they are vulnerable here. And red knots are threatened because they rely so much on their eggs. Horseshoe crabs are vulnerable, and red knots are threatened. I'm surprised that because of these birds eating their eggs, they are less in danger than the birds. There must be some kind of other solution. I don't know. And this all started from me searching up horseshoe crab species and finding a bird inside of it. But a bird. I mean, yeah, that's basically it. I mean, if anyone has more information about this, I would love to hear what the actual thing is happening. So far, I can only see a toxic relationship where the birds are bullying the horseshoe crabs. imagine. You know what? Don't imagine. That's it. I'll just end the